Many of our CELPIP candidates have been complaining that they stumble upon tackling CELPIP Speaking Task 8, where they are required to describe an unusual picture or situation. They have been saying that they did not know how to describe something that is unusual in the picture. If you have the same problem, you're in the right channel, as we're going to delve into the CELPIP Speaking Task 8 and equip you with the strategies to paint a clear picture of something unusual and unique. Like CELPIP Speaking Task 3, in CELPIP Speaking Task 8, you're prompted a picture to describe an object or a situation that is strange and unusual. If you haven't watched our CELPIP Speaking Task 3 video, I refer you to watch that video in order to get a grasp of how to describe a picture in CELPIP Speaking Task 3 and 8. In order to describe the unusual object or situation in CELPIP Speaking Task 8, you have 30 seconds to organize your thoughts, jot down the keywords, and prepare yourself for speaking. After this prep time, you have 60 seconds to describe the actual object or situation in the picture. During this time, please try to use adjectives and varied vocabularies. Also, try to describe in detail. Use present continuous while describing the scene and the object in the picture. Even if you don't know the exact word for the object or situation, just try all your best to describe that object or that situation using adjectives and other words that you are familiar with. In addition to the prepositional phrases that is mentioned in CELPIP Speaking Task 3 while describing a picture, you're going to use size, shape, color, number or amount, material, texture, flavor, and simile while describing the object and situation in CELPIP Speaking Task 8. Let's craft an answer for Task 8. You're looking at a strange sight, a bookcase overflowing with books, seemingly defying gravity and floating in the middle of a brightly lit room. Explain in detail what you see. Like all self speaking tasks, we have some preparation time. For task 8, you have 30 seconds to take notes for 2 to 3 main points, organize your thoughts, and take notes for size, shape, color, number, material, texture, simile. But the point is, you don't need to write everything for all of these. Why? Because the time will fly. You're limited in 30 seconds. For example, in order to describe this picture, I could prepare my notes based on these points that I'm showing here, based on the picture that I have and the time that I was restricted. Now is the speaking time. Let's listen to what I am describing. John, this is a strange sight. I'm looking at a towering bookcase reaching almost to the ceiling. It appears suspended in mid-air right in the center of the room. The bookcase itself looks like it's made of brownish wood. On the right side, a large window bathes the room in natural light, but the real curiosity lies at the far end of the room, a towering stack of books defying gravity. Despite the precarious arrangement, none of the books seem to budge, as if they are held in place by an unseen hand. But a curious sight steals the show. A strange door nestled behind the books. It appears to be exerting a powerful force, as if a vacuum were sucking books out of the room the moment they touched the threshold, much like opening an airplane door mid flight. So, the scene that I described has a large floating bookcase in the center, books are scattered on the floor, and a strange door that seems to be sucking in books. Thank you for watching so far. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with whoever you think they might need this video for their immigration purposes in Canada. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and we will get back to you. Until then, happy learning!